Okay. Can you see me? Oh, this is great. I'm trying to show you from the window of the upstairs that it is a blizzard out here. Do you see all the snow? Yeah, it's like it's just pouring down snow. There are little birds out there too. Get in the bird seat. I don't even know how they survive. Hey, what? I'll give you more bird seed in the front of the house. You know, covered, so you don't have to be in the snow. In a covered bird box. These birds, I tell ya. Whoa, this is super cold. Wow, it's like, 12 degrees outside. I'm freezing. Yep, just wanted to show you the snow. Still snowing.